Hello students. Now in this video we will learn the remainder theorem and the factor theorem and solve examples from the textbook, as well as lastly we will see the practice set 3.5. I will explain these two theorems in a very simple language, all the solved examples and practice set 3.5. Now let us start the remainder theorem. Now let's learn remainder theorem. There is a relation between the value of p of x for x is equals to minus a, that is p of minus a, and the remainder when p of x is divided by x plus a. To understand this relation, let's learn the following example. What we will do in this example, we will divide the given polynomial, that is a p of x is equals to 4x square minus x plus 2 by x plus 2. Now see this here. The dividend polynomial is 4x square minus x plus 2. ही dividend polynomial असणार आहे आणि divisor काय असणार आहे तर x plus 1. Divisor is x plus 1. Now see this our regular method for the division. Now what is the first term of the dividend, which is the 4x square, and what is the first term here is x. Therefore to get 4x square we will multiply to this x by 4x. If we multiply this 4x, then you will get 4x square, as well as we will multiply to this one also. Therefore you will get 4x square. Here is when we multiply to this x, you will get 4x square. या 4x ला x ने मल्टीप्लाय केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला 4x स्क्वेअर मिळेल. या 4x ने 1 ला मल्टीप्लाय केल्यानंतर 4x मिळणार. आणि डिव्हिजन करताना आपण साइन चेंज करतो. We change the sign when we divide. Now here is a plus sign, that's why we have minus, plus and minus. Now plus 4x square minus 4x square, the addition is 0. Now here is a minus x and minus 4x, and overall you will get minus 5x plus 2. Now see this first term, that is a minus 5x. Now to get the minus 5x here, that is here we will multiply to this x by minus 5, and then you will get minus 5x and minus 5. Again we will change the sign. Here is a plus minus, that will become plus and minus, and this is a plus. Therefore plus 5x and minus 5x, the addition is 0. Plus 2 plus 5, that is equals to 7. Therefore the quotient is 4x minus 5. Quotient is 4x minus 5, and the remainder is 7. This is 1. Now let's again we will verify by the synthetic division method. That's we have learned in the previous exercise. Coefficient form of 4x square minus x plus 2 is 4 minus 1 2. Divisor of the polynomial is x plus 1. That is the opposite of 1 is minus 1, and we can write here that is a 4 minus 1 2, and here is a minus 1. Now keep the 4 as it is, that is the first term. 1 minus 1 into 4, that is a minus 4. Minus 1 ने 4 ला multiply करणार तुम्हाला minus 4 मिळणार. Minus 1 and minus 4, that is a minus 5. Minus 5 into minus 1, and you will get 5. 2 plus 5, this is the 7, and the 7 is the remainder, which is same in the previous case. Now see this again. Next, now we will find the relation between the remainder and the value of the polynomial as follows. The dividend polynomial is 4x square minus x plus 2. Put x is equals to minus 1. P of x is equals to 4 in bracket minus 1 square minus in bracket minus 1 plus 2. 4 into minus 1 square. Minus 1 square is a plus 1. Minus 1 square किती येणार तर plus 1 येणार. Minus 1 minus in bracket minus, that minus minus will become plus. 4 into 1 4 plus 1 plus 2, and overall you will get the 7. That is the value of the polynomial p of x for x is equals to minus 1 is 2. Therefore from 1 and 2, now see this here, remainder is 7 and the value of the polynomial is also 7. From the statement 1 and 2, the remainder when the p of x is equals to 4x square minus x plus 2 is divided by x plus a, that is x plus 1. And the value of the polynomial p of x for x is equals to minus 1, that is a p of minus 1, both are equal. That is the value of the polynomial. Polynomialचे value आणि remainder हे दोन्ही कसे आले तर same आले. Hence we get the property. What is that property? If the polynomial p of x is divided by x plus a, then the remainder is p of minus a, means it is same as the value of the polynomial p of x for x is equals to minus a, and this is known as the remainder theorem. Now the example, solve example. Divide x raised to 4 minus 5x square minus 4x by x plus 2 and find the remainder. By the remainder theorem, the dividend polynomial p of x is equals to किती येणार p of x, x raised to 4 minus 5x square minus 4x. What is the divisor? Divisor is plus 3. Therefore, take x is equals to minus 3. Put x is equals to minus 3. That is replace x by minus 3. That is p of minus 3 is equals to minus 3 bracket raised to 4 minus 5 in bracket minus 3 bracket square minus 4 in bracket minus 3 minus 3 raised to 4. That is equals to 81. Minus 5 into minus 3 square is a 9. Minus 4 into minus 3, that is a 12. 81 minus 5 into 9 minus 45, here is a plus 12. And their addition is a 48. Okay, by the synthetic division, x raised to 4. Now see this here polynomial, x raised to 4 minus 5x square. That is the cubic term is absent and the constant term is absent. Therefore, we will write in the index form. 4th power, 3rd, 2nd, 1st and constant. X raised to 4 plus 0x cube minus 5x square minus 4x plus 0. The coefficients are 1, 0, minus 5, minus 4, 0. These are the coefficients. That is 1, 0, minus 5, minus 4, 0. Keep this one as it is. Minus 3 into 1, minus 3. 0 minus 3, that is a minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 3, that is a plus 9. Minus 5 plus 9, overall you will get 4. And 4 into minus 3, then you will get minus 12. Minus 12 and minus 4, that is a minus 16. Minus 16 into minus 3, and you will get 48. 0 plus 48, that is 48. And now this is 48 is the remainder. Now, second example. By using the remainder theorem, divide the polynomial x raised to 3 minus 2x square minus 4x minus 1 by x minus 1 and find the remainder. Now the divisor is the given polynomial x cube minus 2x square minus 4x minus 1. Divisor is x minus 1. Take x is equals to 1. The remainder is replace in this polynomial x by 1. That is p of 1 is equals to. आपण कसं लिहिणार इथे? P of 1 is equals to, that is 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 4 into 1 minus 1. 1 cube is 1. 2 into 1 square is 1. 1 into 2. It's a minus 2, minus 4, minus 1. And what is overall you will get? Plus 1, minus 1 get cancelled. And minus 2, minus 4 you will get minus 6. And the remainder, that is the p of 1, which is the value of that polynomial when x is equals to 1 is minus 6. Next example. If the polynomial t cube minus 3t square plus kt plus 50 is divided by t minus 3, the remainder is 62. Then find the value of k. Means what? The value of the polynomial is 62. When you substitute, that is the t is equals to 3 and equals to 62, and then you will get the value of the k. Now see this example. We have written this polynomial p of t is equals to t cube 3t square kt plus 50 हे आपण लिहिलं. नंतर by the remainder theorem p of 3, that is a replace t by 3. 3 raised to 3 minus 3 into 3 square plus k into 3 plus 50. What about the 3 cube? That is minus, this is 27 minus 3. 3 square means 9. 3k plus 50. Now see this here, plus 27 minus 27 plus 3k plus 50. And overall plus 27 minus 27 get cancelled. 3k plus 50. But what is the remainder? The remainder is 62. And therefore 3k plus 50 is equals to 62. And therefore 3k is equals to 62 minus 50. That is equals to 12. Therefore 3k is equals to 12. And here easy ekdam. Therefore k is equals to 12 upon 3. That is the k is equals to 4. That is, see this here. Remember this. If a polynomial p of x is divided by x plus a, then the remainder is p of minus a, where a is the real number. Then you will get in this form, that is the p of x is equals to sx, this sx into x plus a plus rx. The degree of this rx is less than 1, or rx may be 0, that is the remainder may be 0. In this equation, by putting x is equals to a, then you will get p of a, that is a 0 plus ra, and the p of a is equals to ra, that is the remainder. Hence, if ra is a 0, means x minus a is a factor of that polynomial. जर समजा रिमाइंडर 0 आला तर आपण काय म्हणणार शेवटी की x minus a हा त्या पॉलिनॉमियलचा काय आहे तर फॅक्टर आहे या प्रकारे. Now see this example. If the p of x is equals to x cube plus 4x square minus 5 is divided by x minus 1, then find the remainder and hence determine whether the x minus 1 is a factor of p of x or not. मग आपण काय करणार इथे, जर समजा त्याची व्हॅल्यू जर 0 आली तर आपण असं म्हणणार की x minus 1 हा त्याचा फॅक्टर आहे. If the value of that polynomial is 0, then we will say that x minus 1 is a factor of that polynomial. Now see this here. P of x is equals to x cube plus 4x minus 5. What about here? X minus 1, that is put x is equals to 1. That is here 1 cube, 4 into 1 minus 5. That is overall you will get 1 plus 4 minus 5. Overall you will get 0. As per the remainder theorem, the remainder is 0. And what's happening here? X. Therefore, the x minus 1 is a factor of the p of x. Now the next. If the p of x is equals to x cube plus 4x minus 5 is divided by x plus 2, then the remainder, then find the remainder and hence determine whether x plus 2 is a factor of p of x or the not. Again in the same way, we have the given polynomial p of x is equals to x cube plus 4 into minus 2 minus 5. That is minus 2 cube means what? Minus 8. 4 into minus 2 minus 8 and minus 5. And overall you will get minus 21. The remainder is minus 21. Remainder is not equals to 0 and hence x plus 2 is not a factor of p of x. Therefore remember this. That is, if the p of x is a polynomial and a is any real number and p of a is a 0, then x minus a is a factor of that p of x. But conversely, if the x minus a is a factor, okay, conversely what will happen? X minus a is a factor of the polynomial p of x, then what is the value of p of a? P of a is 0. Now we will check in this manner. Check whether x minus a is a factor of the polynomial x cube minus x square minus 4 by using the factor theorem. Now see this here, that is the p of x is equals to x cube minus x square minus 4, divisor x minus 2. Now substitute, replace x by 2, then you will get p of 2 is equals to 2 cube minus 2 square minus 4. 2 cube is 8, 2 square is 4 minus 4 plus minus 4 minus 4 minus 8, 8 minus 8, that will be 0. By the factor theorem, x minus 2 is a factor of the polynomial x cube minus x square minus 4. Now the example number 2. If x minus 1 is a factor of the polynomial x cube minus 2x square mx minus 4, then find the value of the m. मग या प्रकारचे प्रॉब्लेम्स येतील आपल्याला. मग त्यामध्ये आपण काय करणार, ती m ची व्हॅल्यू, तो फॅक्टर आहे म्हणजे त्या पॉलिनॉमियलची x इज इक्वल्स टू 1 जर आपण तिथे सबस्टिट्यूट केला तर व्हॅल्यू किती मिळणार आपल्याला, तर 0 मिळणार. Solution: x minus 1 is the factor of the polynomial x cube minus 2x square plus mx minus 4. Therefore, p of 1 is equals to 0. Polynomial p of x is equals to x cube minus 2x square plus mx minus 4. Replace x by 1, that is 1 cube minus 2, 1 square plus m into 1 minus 4, and overall that is equals to 0. 1 cube is 1, next is 2 plus m minus 4. That is equals to 0. And what is m? M is as it is minus 2 minus 4. minus 6 and plus 1, that you will get minus 5. M minus 5 is equals to 0. Therefore, M is equals to 5. And this is the value by we solve this problem. आपण हा प्रॉब्लेम कसा सोडवला तर फॅक्टर थेरमच्या सहाय्याने तो सॉल्व केला. Now we'll see the practice set 3.5. That is in overall what we do in the remainder theorem. In the remainder theorem, we find the value of the polynomial. And what about the factor theorem? That is, the divisor is the factor, whether it is a factor or the not. If the value of that polynomial is 0, then the divisor is the factor of that polynomial. This we learn from this all the solved examples. Now we'll start the practice set 3.5. Now find the value of the polynomial 2x minus 2x cube plus 7 using the value of x. X is equals to 3, x is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to 0. Now first, p of x is equals to 2x minus 2x cube plus 7. P of 3 is equals to, replace x by 3, that is a 2 into 3, minus 2 into 3 cube plus 7. 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 3 cube, that is a 27 plus 7. And 6 minus 54 plus 7. And overall, 6 plus 7, 13 minus 54, and you will get minus 41. This is the value of the polynomial for x is equals to 3, which is minus 41. Next is for x is equals to minus 1, again the polynomial. P of x is equals to 2x minus 2x cube plus 7. Replace x by minus 1, 2 into minus 1, minus 2 into in bracket minus 1 bracket cube plus 7. And 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, minus 2. Minus 1 cube means what? Minus 1 plus 7. Minus minus multiplication is a plus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled and overall you will get 7. The value of this polynomial for x is equals to minus 1 is 7. Third, that is p of x is equals to 2x minus 2x cube plus 7. Put x is equals to 0. Replace x is equals to 0. 2 into 0, then you will get 0. 2 into 0 cube, that is 0. 2 into 0, overall you will get 0. And the constant is as it is. Therefore, the value of the polynomial when x is equals to 0 is 7. Now we'll see the next example. Now the second example. For each of the following polynomial, find p of 0, p of minus 2. First polynomial p of x is equals to x cube. Therefore, p of x is equals to x cube. X is replaced by 1. 1 cube is 1. Therefore, p of 1 is 1. What about 0? P of 0, that is 0 cube is 0. Therefore, p of 0 is 0. Next is put x is equals to minus 2. Polynomial is x cube. Therefore, minus 2 bracket cube is minus 8. Therefore, p of minus 2 is minus 8. Next polynomial, p of y is equals to y square minus 2y plus 5. First is y replaced by 1, p of 1, that is a 1 square minus 2 into 1 plus 5. 1 square means 1 minus 2 plus 5. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 minus 2, that is 4. Therefore, p of 1 is 4. Next, p of y, that is y square minus 2y plus 5. Replace y by 0. Therefore, 0 square, 2 into 0 plus 5. And overall, you will get 5. P of 0 is 5. P of y is equals to, for x, y is equals to minus 2. Minus 2 substitute करणार आपण त्यामध्ये. Minus 2 bracket square, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 5. That is 4 plus 4 and plus 5. Overall 8 plus 5, that is equals to 13. P of minus 2 is equals to 13. Next is p of x is equals to x raised to 4 minus 2x square minus x. Again the first is replace x by 1. That is 1 raised to 4 minus 2 into 1 square minus 1. Overall you will get 1 minus 2 minus 1, that is equals to minus 2. Therefore p of 1 is equals to minus 2. P of x is equals to, again put x is equals to 0. 0 raised to 4. 2 into 0 square and overall 0. And that p of 0 is 0. Therefore here is. Next, put x is equals to minus 2. Replace x is equals to minus 2. Then minus 2 raised to 4. Minus 2 into minus 2 bracket square. Minus in bracket minus 2. Minus 2 bracket raised to 4. That is a 16. Minus 2 bracket square. That is a 4. Minus minus will become plus. That is a minus 8. 16 plus 2, that is 18. Minus 8. And overall you will get 10. P of minus 2 is equals to 10. If the value of the polynomial m cube plus 2m plus a is a 12 for m is equals to 2, then find the value of a. P of m is equals to m cube plus 2m plus a. P of 2, that is m is replaced by 2. We have given the value. आपल्याला त्याने व्हॅल्यू दिली किती तर 12 आहे. माहिती आहे m is replaced by 2 करणार. That is a 2 raised to 3, 2 into 2 plus a. Overall we have the value 12. 2 raised to 3 is 8. 2 into 2 4 plus a. 8 plus 4, that is a 12. Therefore a is equals to 12 minus 12. That is equals to 0, and hence the answer, that is a is the value of a is 0. Now the next problem number 4. For the polynomial mx square minus 2x plus 3, if p of minus 1 is 7, then find the value. That is again replace here x by minus 1. P of minus 1 is equals to m minus 1 square minus 2 into minus 1 plus 3. And overall you will get the value 7. P of minus 1 square is 1. M into 1 is m minus 2 into minus 1. That you will get 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. That is 7 is equals to m plus 5. Therefore m is equals to 7 minus 5. M is equals to 2. The value of that m is 2. It's very simple. Now the next problem is using the remainder theorem. Find the remainder when the first polynomial is divided by the second polynomial. Now see this here, p of x, that is equals to x square minus 7x plus 9, and the divisor is x plus 1. Now take x is equals to x plus 2, therefore take x is equals to minus 1 and replace या polynomial मध्ये आपण काय करणार, x is replaced by minus 1. Therefore p of minus 1 is equals to minus 1 square minus 7 into minus 1 plus 9. Minus 1 square means 1, minus 1 into minus 7 into minus 1, that is a 7 plus 9. And their total, that is 1 plus 9 is 10 plus 7, that is a 17. The remainder is 17 for the next polynomial. Now the next polynomial is a 2x cube minus 2x square plus ax minus a, and the divisor is x minus a. Therefore we write this whole polynomial, p of x is equals to 2x cube minus 2x square plus ax minus a. Divisor x minus a. Therefore substitute x is equals to a. Therefore p of a is equals to 2a cube minus 2a square plus a into a minus a. That is a 2a cube minus 2a square plus a square minus a. Therefore 2a cube minus 2a square plus a square minus a square minus a. And therefore the remainder is a 2a cube minus a square minus a. Next example is a 54m cube plus 18m square minus 27m plus 5, and the divisor is m minus 3. Again we write this polynomial, divisor is x m minus 3, therefore take m is equals to 3. Now replace here m by 3, that is a p of 3 is equals to 54, 3 raised to 3 plus 18, 3 square minus 27 into 3 plus 5. 3 raised to 3 means what? 27. 54 into 27, 18. 3 square means what? 9. 27 into 3, that is 81 plus 5. And overall you will get, that is a 54 into 27, that is 1458. 18 into 9, that is 162. Minus 81 plus 5. And overall their addition of the positive terms are 1625 minus 81. And you will get the answer, that is 1544. This is the remainder. Now the question number 6. If the polynomial y cube minus 5y square plus 7y plus m is divided by y plus 2 and the remainder is 50, then find the value of m. Again very simple. We write first of all this polynomial y cube. P of y is equals to y cube minus 5y square plus 7y plus m. Divisor is y plus 2. Take y is equals to minus 2. Therefore p of minus 2 is equals to minus 2 cube minus 5 into minus 2 square plus 7 into minus 2 plus m. But we have given that the value of that polynomial, that is the remainder is 50. That is the p of minus 2 is equals to 50, which is given. Therefore 50 is equals to minus 2 cube minus 8. Minus 5 into minus 2 square, that is a 4. Minus 14 plus m. Minus 8. 5 into 4 minus 20. Minus 14 plus m. And overall this is the 50. minus 28 minus 14, that is a minus 42 plus m, and therefore m is equals to 50 plus 42, and therefore m is equals to 92. This is the value of the polynomial. Sorry, this is the value of that m. M is equals to 92. Sorry, this is the value of that m. Use the factor theorem to determine whether x plus 3 is a factor of x square plus 2x minus 3 or not. If it is factor, then its value is 0. Now see this here, back by factor theorem. If x plus 3 is a factor of x square plus 2x minus 3, then p of 3 is equals to 0. We write the polynomial upon polynomial linear and replace x by minus 3. That is the p of minus 3 is equals to minus 3 square plus 2 into minus 3 minus 3. Minus 3 square means what? 9 minus 6 minus 3. 9 minus 3, 9 minus 6 minus 3, overall you will get 0. Therefore, p of minus 3 is equals to 0. Therefore, the value of that polynomial is 0, and therefore x plus 3 is the factor of x square plus 2x minus 3. Question number 8. If x minus 2 is the factor of x cube minus mx square plus 10x minus 20, then again find the value of m. Again, these are the same problem. x minus 2 हा फॅक्टर आहे कोणाचा m cube minus mx square plus 10x minus 20 चा. मग p of 2 किती असणार तर 0 असणार आहे. Replace x by 2. That is p of 2 is equals to 2 cube minus m into 2 square plus 10 into 2 minus 20, that's equals to 0. 2 cube means what? 8. m into 2 square means 4 minus 4m. 10 into 2, 20 minus 20, that's equals to 0. Plus 20 minus 20 is 0. 8 minus 4m is equals to 0. 4m is 8. m is equals to 8 upon 4. m is equals to 2. The value of m is equals to 2. Now the next question number 9. By using the factor theorem in the following examples, determine whether the qx is the factor of that p of x or the not. Now this is the polynomial, this is a qx. If it is a factor, then that value is equals to 0. If it is not a factor, the value is not equals to 0 for particular the value of that divisor. Okay. Now we write the first example, x cube minus x square minus x minus 1. The divisor is x minus 1 is here. Take x is equals to 1. Here x minus 1 as x is equals to 1. P of 1, that is replace x by 1. 1 cube minus 1 square minus 1 minus 1. That is 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. But here is a minus 1 and minus 1. Overall you will get a minus 2. That is the p of minus 1 is minus 2. And which is not equals to 0. And मग आपण काय determine करणार? That is the p of x is equals to x minus 1. Is not factor of p of x. Now next, p of x is equals to 2x cube minus x square minus 45. Is the divisor. That is the qx is equals to x minus 3. Take x is equals to 3. P of x is equals to 2x cube minus x square minus 45. Replace x by 3. That is a 2 into 3 cube minus 3 square minus 45. That is a 2 into 3 cube means what? 27. 3 square means what? 9 minus 45. 2 into 27, that is a 54. 9 minus 45. Minus 9 minus 45. That is minus 54. Plus 54 minus 54, that is equals to 0. P of 3 is equals to 0. Therefore, what we'll say then? That is a q of x is equals to x minus 3 is a factor of p of x. हा म्हणजे त्याचा फॅक्टर्स नाही. ती व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला किती मिळाली तर 0 मिळाली. Now the problem number 10. X raised to 31 plus 31 is divided by x plus 1. Then find the remainder. Again, see this polynomial. That is a p of x is equals to x raised to 31 plus 31. Divisor x plus 1. Therefore, by the remainder theorem, take x is equals to minus 1. That is opposite of plus 1. Now here, replace x by minus 1. That is the p of minus 1 is equals to minus 1 bracket raised to 31 plus 31. And overall, you will get minus 1. That is minus 1 raised to 31. Minus 1 raised to odd number जर असेल तर त्याची व्हॅल्यू किती तर minus 1. Minus 1 plus 31 and you will get p of minus 1 is 30. The remainder is 30 in this one. That is divided by the remainder is 30. For the next show that m minus 1 is a factor of m raised to, again I will repeat, show that m minus 1 is a factor of m raised to 21 minus 1 and m raised to 22 minus 1. Now see this here, p of m is equals to m raised to 21 minus 1 is the divisor, that is m minus 1. Okay, divisor is m minus 1. By the factor theorem, take m is equals to 1. That is the p of m is equals to m raised to 21 minus 1. Replace m by 1. That is the p of 1 is equals to m raised to 21. Means what? 1 raised to 21 minus 1. 1 raised to 21. जर कुठली पॉवर असेल तर त्याची व्हॅल्यू किती तर 1. 1 minus 1. Overall you are getting 0. Therefore p of 1 is equals to 0. And hence we conclude that is the p of m is equals to m raised to 21 minus 1. This is first is 0. For the second, m raised to 22. Sorry, m raised to 22. Divisor is m minus 1. Again take m is equals to 1. Substitute. You will get again 0. And from 1 and 2, both times you are getting the value is 0. Therefore, m minus 1 is a factor of m raised to 21 minus 1 and m raised to 22 minus 1. Now the next problem is if x minus 2 and x minus 1 upon 2 both are the factors of the polynomial nx square minus 5x plus m, then show that m is equals to n is equals to 2. No problem. We'll solve this. That is the p of x is equals to nx square minus 5x plus 2. Divisor x minus 2. Therefore, we take x is equals to 2. As these are the factors, therefore the remainder must be 0. Therefore, p of 2 is equals to 0. P of 2 is equals to, substitute. Replace x by 2, that is n, that is a 2 square, minus 5 into 2 plus m, and you will get, that is by factor theorem, it is a 0, 4n minus 10 plus m. This is the first one. That is a 4n minus 10 plus m, that is equals to 0. This is first. Also x minus 1 upon 2 is the divisor. Take x is equals to 1 upon 2. Therefore, p of 1 upon 2 is equals to n in bracket 1 upon 2 bracket square minus 5 into 1 upon 2 plus m. Again by factor theorem, its value is 0. Therefore, n into 1 upon 2 means what? 1 upon 4. N into 1 upon 4 means what? N by 4 minus 5 into 1 upon 2. The product of this is minus 5 by 2 plus m. Now solve this. That's why LCM किती येणार तर 4 येणार. Multiplied 4 on both sides. Then you get 0. N by 4 into 4. 4 get cancelled. You will get n minus 5 by 2 into 4. That is 5 into 4. Then you will get, that is a 10. 5 by 2 into 4. That is you will get 10 minus 10. Again 4m here, that's equals to 0. Now from 1 and 2, now see this here 1, the value is 0, here is a value 0. Equate these two, that is a 4n minus 10 plus m. This is the first. What is here? That is 4n minus 10 plus m. This was the first. What about the second? N minus 10 plus 4m. Now solve this here. Minus 10 on both sides get cancelled. You will get 4n. Here is a minus n to the left hand side. हा n कुणीकडे नेणार तर आपण डाव्या बाजूला नेणार. 4n minus n. Then you will get 3n. What about to the right hand side? 4m minus n. You will get 3m and 3 get cancelled on both sides. By dividing 3 on both sides, you will get m is equals to n. Now put m is equals to n in any equation. That is I have substituted here. 4n minus 10 plus m is equals to 0. या इक्वेशन मध्ये आपण ती व्हॅल्यू टाकणार. 4n minus 10 plus m is equals to 0. Equation 1 मध्ये आपण ते सबस्टिट्यूट केलं. What is here? 4n minus 10. m is replaced by n and overall you will get 5n is equals to 10. Therefore n is equals to 2. Therefore m is equals to n is equals to 2. The value of m and n are the 2. What about the next question? That is the question number 13. If the p of x is equals to 2 plus 5x, then find p of 2, p of minus 1 and p of 1. No problem. That is first is p of 2. That is replace. Which is the polynomial? 2 plus 5 into x is replaced by 2 plus again 2 plus 5 x is replaced by minus 2 minus in bracket मध्ये टाकणार आपण 2 plus 5 into 1. Now see this calculation, that is a 2 plus 5 into 2 10, 2 5 into minus 2, that is a minus 10 minus 5 plus 2, 5 plus that is a 2 plus 5 which is 7. Overall किती येणार plus 10 minus 10 कट झाले 2 आणि 2 4 आणि हा किती आला 2 plus 5 7 which is minus 7 brackets are minus sign 4 minus 7 overall you will get minus 3. What is the value of that? That is the p of 2 plus p of minus 1, sorry, p of 2 plus p of minus 2 and p of 1. Overall you will get minus 3. What about the next? If the p of x is equals to 2x square minus 5 root 3x plus 5, then what is the value of this p of 5 root 3? मी इथे देखील आपण तेच रिप्लेस करणार, x is replaced by 5 root 3. फक्त कॅल्क्युलेशन्स अवघड असतील, थोडी टफ असतील. That x is replaced by 5 root 3. p of 5 root 3 is equals to 2 5 root 3 bracket square minus 5 root 3. X is replaced by 5 root 3 plus 5. 5 root 3 bracket square means what? It's a 2 times multiplication. 5 root 3 into 5 root 3 minus 5 into 5 किती येणार तर 25. root 3 into root 3 3 plus 5. आता बघा पुढे 5 into 5 जसा 5 into 5 25, root 3 into root 3 3, 25 into 3 minus 75 plus 5, and overall that is a 2 into 25, that is a 50, 50 into 3 150 minus 75 plus 5, that is a minus 70, and therefore the value of p of 5 root 3 that is equals to 80, and this is the value. And in this way we have completed the practice set, that is a 3.5. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.